Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about 3 minor chord progressions that you can use to write a song or just to practice your chords. So my name is Marine and welcome to Online Rock Lessons. Alright, so very often we hear about major chord progression, but for today we're going to talk about minor chord progression, and we're going to be using the A natural minor scale. So A natural minor is the relative minor of C major, so it has no sharp or flat at the key signature, only the white note here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the note decrease to create our chords. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So these are the degrees for each note. Now we're going to create a chord on each of these notes with only the notes of the scale. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're back at 1. And doing this, it creates new chord ideas that are created just with the note of the A minor scale. So we have the first degrees is A minor, the second degrees is B minor flat 5, the third degree is C major, the fourth degree is D minor, 5 is E minor, 6 is F major, 7 is G major, and we're back to 1. Now that we know all the chords that we can use, we're going to create our chord progression just using a few of them. So the first one that we have is the 1, 3, 6, 7 chord progression. So let's look at what would it be. So 1 is the first one, that is A minor here. 3 would be 1, 2, 3, C, so C major chord here. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is F major. And 7, G major. So the chord progression here, we would have A minor, C major, F major, G major, and we can loop these 4 chords and create anything. Just like this. And one thing that is very important to practice is chord inversion. So just like I've played, I'm not using just the root position of each chord. I'm trying to find the chord inversion that is the closest from the chord I'm at. So from A minor, C major here, F major, and G major. So that's a very good idea to practice. Also, something that is very important is to transpose this chord progression. For example, if I use a D minor scale, let's do this chord progression in D minor. So D minor has a B flat here. So the first chord in D minor would be D minor. The third one is F major. The sixth one is B flat. And the seventh one is C. So now we have the same chord progression, but with other chords because we're in another key. So D minor, F, E flat, and C. And this is how you practice those chord progression, and you can learn so many chords like that. Alright, for the second chord progression, we're gonna have 1, 7, 6. So we have 1 that is A minor, 7 that is G, and 6 that is F. So this is a very useful one because it's so close. Just like that. So A minor, G, and F. And sometime you can use the G to go back to A minor. Just like that, you have another chord progression. So make sure that you transpose this one too and you learn the chord inversion. And for the last chord progression we have is going to be 1, 6, 5, 7. So 1, we know this one. 6 is F. We've talked about that one. 5 is actually going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be E minor. And 7 is G. So this one is A minor, F major, E minor, G major, and back to A minor. Alright, so there you go for the 3 minor chord progression. I hope this inspires you to write some songs or just to practice your chords. And don't forget to transpose them and to use chord inversion. This is the best way you can practice your chords. You're going to learn all the minor and the major chord doing this. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel to never miss a new video, and visit our website at onlinerocklessons.com to see more about the course, the membership, and we even have some free piano courses to help you with your learning. So have fun and have a good practice.